Welcome back, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today, we're going to use the Referrals app to share jobs with our friends in the hopes that they get hired. Referring candidates is a great help to our company, as it reduces hiring costs by bringing talent to the company instead of the company hunting down qualified applicants. Keep in mind, you need both the recruitment app and the Referrals app in order to refer friends. So follow me as I refer my friends to jobs through several different channels. Okay, so here I am on my referrals dashboard. I already have a hired referral, actually, as you can tell, the left side over here of my avatar. That's Maggie Johnson, who happens to be an upholsterer, represented by this cool superhero with the little phasing ball thing. So before sending out job positions, I want to first take a look at what positions we are hiring for by selecting View Jobs down here. Okay, so here are all of the job positions that we are actively recruiting for and are published on our website, as you could tell. So I want to spread the word about, let's pick the last one, this welder position right here, which we actually just added a few days ago. I'm going to email my buddy Brian about this. He's an amazing welder and is looking for work. So I'm going to select the send email button right here, and we're prompted to get started. So what is his email? It's very real. Brian. We're going to add a little touch of love. Okay, there we go. Now once we're done, we send it off and off it goes. Hopefully he sees it. And this is the email that Brian received from me. So I'm not sure if he really checks his email. So I'm going to text him by selecting this send SMS button. And I'm just showing you all of this. We're going to do this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. YouTube, it's a fake number, please. And now I'm going to modify this text as well because I need to add, once again, a touch of love. Here we go. And off it goes as well. All right, so Odoo is on the cusp of all the trends. So, of course, I can also send a job referral through WhatsApp. Now, keep in mind, you need the WhatsApp messaging module installed and configured to use this. Check out the documentation link below for more information. So now I'm going to select this Send WhatsApp button over there. And the message appears in a pop-up window. Inside of it, I'm just going to add the phone number and click Send Message, and off it goes as well. Back over here, I can also just copy a custom link to this job position and then use it wherever I want an external email or social media post, for an example. If I select this Share Now button, would you look at that? It's been copied to my clipboard and it told me in the top right corner. Now I can paste it wherever I want. And you know what? I'm actually feeling extra spicy, so I might have a few welder friends in my Facebook contacts. I actually have so many friends, I don't even know who's on my friends list anymore. But besides that point, I'm going to select Facebook Share Now, which when prompted to, takes us to a new tab with Facebook. And inside of here, we're going to add some text to the post. And once everything looks awesome, you can select Share. Hopefully somebody sees that and applies. Okay, all right. I want to make sure I reach everyone everywhere. So I'm also going to share this job on X as well. And honestly, now that I'm showing you what this looks like, this text is pretty good and straightforward, so it looks good. So everything could just be posted. Okay, all right. And I know I'm taking your breath away, but I got to show some love for my LinkedIn crew. So we also have LinkedIn sharing right there. And just like Facebook, as you could tell, this opens a new tab on LinkedIn with a blank post, and I'm going to add some text to. And I must say, it's looking pretty sharp. And once you're done with that, you just select Post. Okay, so I also want to share all the available jobs with my best friend Betty, who's looking for a career change. Maybe there's something here that she wants to pursue. But to do that, we're going to head back over to our dashboard over here. Okay, now I'm not going to lie, it would also be a huge bonus being able to be with my bestie all day. But anyways, if you direct your attention down to the center below, I can actually send her all the available jobs by selecting this Email a Friend button right there. Now I'm going to type in Betty's real email for this example, but fake email for YouTube, and click Send Mail. Awesome. How easy was that? I just sent her all 6 job openings. Okay, there's one last thing I want to show you, and it's actually through the recruitment app. So we're going to head out of here, and we're going to search for it real quick, start typing, and there we are. So I want to encourage my coworkers to share the new welder job position so that I can actually help the recruitment team as much as possible. And the reason why I stuttered on that is because I can actually already see it immediately for me right there up at the top. And I've already had some people who are interested. But let's assume that coworkers also have other people who might be interested. Well, you can select the 3 dots up at the top right and select Referral Campaign. And you guessed it. From here, using a specific job position, we can select who to contact, whether all employees or just some of them. And then we can decide whether we want to send them an email or SMS. In my case, we're doing all employees and an email. And as you can tell, it's going to fill in the information over here with their specific names. All right, once we're done with that, we hit send, and it's just like that. Now all my employees will know about the available job position, and they have their own personal referral link in their email. Amazing, isn't it? And that's the end of this tutorial. We learned all the different ways that we can share jobs individually or all at once to all our contacts across, or I don't know, I covered like all the platforms. Working with friends is always awesome, which is why I love referring friends to open job positions. See you in the next one, and happy referring. Today's snack is Suspicious Kit Kat. Don't sponsor me.